We're here at City Center, which is owned by the Fresno Mission, but is an extension as one of our campuses where we can really walk alongside people who are in crisis. What's amazing about this location, there's about 20 nonprofits who serve the same population, who do great work, and who provide free direct services to our community. Our partnership with Quiq began recently. It was great to have one of the staff members stop by and introduce and kind of give us an idea of what they offered, which began to further into other conversations. But it really connected with a prayer item of ours that we have seen over and over again, is that many people in our community really have a very low understanding of how to use a computer, and that it's a huge barrier in finding employment.
Basic digital and computer literacy is critical. And throughout the courses and classes that we have come alongside them, that is the #1 challenge for, I would say, 90% of them. With the utmost respect and love and compassion, many of the participants and the students don't know how to use a mouse. They don't know how to navigate a computer. And 99% of job seekers, it's done online. If you don't have computer skills, how are you even going to know how to build a resume? This is critical, and it's very exciting that we, are partnering with Quiq to be able to offer this, and we're really hoping that they'll take hold of it and it'll start to inspire them and excite them and teach them skills that they absolutely are lacking.
It was interesting. After the first class, one of the moms who didn't feel comfortable coming, she shared with me, she actually thanked me and was really happy that she was able to participate and brush up on something that she hadn't used in a long time and forgot. And so for her to be that humbling and thank me, it was like, there's no thanks needed, right? This is for you, and I'm glad you're able to enjoy it. And so my hope is that the families feel that they're able to leave with more than they came in, and just to see that happiness and humbleness and for our families is awesome.
Quiq has been very clear that their goal is community impact, and so they're a partner in many ways, like-minded and wanting to see Fresno area just grow and flourish and be even a better place to live.